This delicious macadamia nut pie has white chocolate and bourbon in it.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. What you're going to see on your screen is a double recipe because I made two pies, but the ingredient amounts I'm giving you verbally are going to be for a single pie. So that's 3/4 of a cup of white granulated sugar, 6 tablespoons of melted butter, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of whiskey like Jack Daniels, and 3/4 of a cup of corn syrup, light or dark corn syrup. Blend that together until nicely combined, and then blend in 3 large eggs. And this is the liquid part of our filling. Then you'll prepare a pie shell. You can use a commercially prepared one if you want. These are not baked. Then in the pie shell, you'll put 1/2 cup of white chocolate chips. I've kind of eyeballed it. It's about 1/2 cup or so. Now you'll add in about 1 cup of macadamia nuts. You can chop them up a little bit if you'd like, or you can leave them whole. These are salted macadamias. Then pour in your liquid pie filling, and they will be quite full. These are 9-inch pie plates that I'm using here. Then you put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 50 to 55 minutes until the filling is set. It might be a little bit jiggly still in the center, and then the pie crust is golden brown. Now this is essentially the same recipe as my steeplechase bourbon pecan pie, except I'm using macadamia and I use white chocolate instead of regular chocolate. This was delicious. It makes a very special treat for a special occasion. Hey, here's a pie playlist. I bet you'll find a pie you like on it. Thank you for watching.